I recently came across scamtalk.com, and I have to say that my experience with this website has been nothing short of excellent from start to finish. What immediately stood out to me was how professional, sleek, and thoughtfully designed the website is. It's clear that the team behind it has invested real effort into creating something user-friendly and trustworthy. The interface is beautifully clean and modern, with intuitive navigation that makes it so easy to find exactly what you're looking for without getting lost in unnecessary clutter or confusing menus. Each page loads quickly, the layout feels well-balanced, and every detail, from the typography to the color scheme, contributes to a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience. Beyond just design, the content on scamtalk.com is truly impressive. The articles, product insights, and resources provided are written with clarity, accuracy, and genuine care for readers. Everything feels well-researched and authentic, which makes it stand out compared to many sites that simply recycle information. The tone is informative yet friendly, which makes learning from their content an effortless and even enjoyable experience. I especially appreciated how the site breaks down complex topics into easy-to-understand pieces, ensuring that even beginners feel confident navigating through the information. It's refreshing to see a platform that prioritizes educating and empowering visitors instead of just trying to sell something. Another thing that really made me appreciate scamtalk.com is its commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction. The policies are clearly stated, the contact information is visible and easy to access, and when I reached out to their support team with a few questions, I received a prompt, polite, and genuinely helpful response. It's rare these days to find such responsive and human-centered service online, and it really strengthened my trust in the brand. Their dedication to reliability shows in every interaction, from how their team communicates to how their site operates seamlessly without glitches or misleading information. Moreover, I love how scamtalk.com manages to combine a professional tone with a sense of community. It doesn't just feel like a website. It feels like a space built for people who want to explore, learn, and engage meaningfully. Their reviews, articles, and insights seem to stem from real expertise and integrity, which makes it a platform you can depend on for genuine and up-to-date information. It's also commendable how they've maintained high-quality standards across all sections, whether it's their visuals, product recommendations, or educational posts. In short, scamtalk.com has far exceeded my expectations in every possible way. It offers a perfect blend of reliability, usability, and quality content that's both practical and enjoyable to consume. It's the kind of website that you can keep returning to and always find something new, informative, and worth your time. I wholeheartedly recommend scamtalk.com to anyone looking for a well-organized, trustworthy, and polished online platform that delivers on its promises and continues to set the bar high for professionalism and user satisfaction.